Dear students, welcome to SSR Academy of IIT Foundation in Mathematics YouTube channel. In the previous session, we discussed the factors. Now we are going to discuss the multiples of a number and the properties of multiples and some of the problems related with multiples. Multiples. The topic is multiples. So, multiple of a number. What is the multiple? Multiple of a number is when a number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3 and so on, then the product is called multiple of that number. So, when a number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, and so on. Here 1, 2, 3 and so on are called natural numbers. This means a number is multiplied by a natural number, we get its multiple. Suppose example, multiples of 4 are dash. So here we are going to find the multiples of 4. So multiples of 4 by multiplying the number with 1, 2, 3, and so on. These are called multiples of 4. When a number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3 and so on, then the product 4, 8, 12 and so on. These are called multiples of 4. So this is the process to find multiple of a number. So we can find multiple of a number by multiplying that number with 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then the numbers are called, product are called multiples of that number. Next, properties of multiples. So by observing these multiples of 4, we can write number 1, properties. Every number is multiple of itself. Every number is multiple of itself. Next, second is every multiple of a number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Next, third, the number of multiples of a number are infinite, unlimited. So these are the main properties of multiples. In this, the first one is every number is multiple of itself. So suppose we write multiples of 4 are, what are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12 and so on. So every number is multiple of itself. 4 is multiple of 4. Next, second, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12 and so on. Of these, 8, 12, next multiple is 16 and so on. These are greater than 4 and 4 is equal to 4. From this we can say that every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to. So 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on are the multiples of 4. Of these 8, 12, 16 and so on are greater than to 4, and the first multiple 4 is equal to 4. So every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Next, third property is the number of multiples of a number are infinite. So there are infinite number of multiples for 4. There are infinite number of multiples for each and every number. So every number has unlimited or infinite number of multiples. So these are the main properties. Next, we discuss some problems. The first problem is the first 3 multiples of 8. The first 3 multiples of 8 are dash. So to get first multiple of 8, we multiply 8 by 1. So 8 into 1 is the first multiple of 8. And what is the second multiple of 8? So when we multiply 8 by 2, we get second multiple of 8. And third, to get third multiple of 8, we multiply 8 by 3. So these are the first 3 multiples of 8. That is equal to 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 8 3s are 24. So these are the first 3 multiples of 8. So first 3 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24. This is the first problem. The first 3 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24. Next, the sum of second. The sum of first 4 multiples of 5 is dash. So now we have to find first 4 multiples of 5, and when we add them we get its sum. So first 4 multiples of 5 are 5 ones. This is the first multiple of 5, and the second multiple of 5 is 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4. These are the first 4 multiples of 5. Now first multiple 5 ones is 5, 10, 5 twos, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20 are the first 4 multiples of 5. The problem is sum of, when we are going to find sum of first 4 multiples, we add them, sum equal to 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. That is equal to 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 20, 50. So this is the sum of first 4 multiples of 5. So when we find the first 4 multiples of 5, first we have to write first 4 multiples, and to find sum of the multiples we add them. Then we get sum of first 4 multiples of 5 is 50. This is the second problem. Next, third. The seventh multiple of 13 is dash. So here we are going to find only 7th multiple. When the problem is find the specified multiple of a number, we can easily find by multiplying the specified number with that number. So 7th multiple of 13 is equal to 13 into, first multiple of 13 is 13 into 1. Second multiple of 13 is 13 into 2. Third multiple is 13 into 3. Similarly, we write seventh multiple is 13 into 7. 13 sevens is 91. So, the seventh multiple of 13 is 91. Next, similarly, the 20th multiple of 15 is dash. This is the same problem. So here also 15th multiple. We have to find 20th multiple of 15. The number is 15 and its 20th multiple. First multiple is 15 into 1. Second multiple is 15 into 2. Seventh multiple is 15 into 7. 10th multiple is 15 into 10. And here the problem is 20th multiple of 15. So we multiply 15 by 20. 15 20s 300. So 300 is the 20th multiple of 15. This is the fourth problem. Next, fifth, the sum of 8th comma 13th multiple of 12 is. So here to find the sum of 8th comma 13th multiples, first we write 8th multiple of 12 is. 8th multiple of 12 is 12 into 8. First multiple of 12 is 12 into 1. Second multiple of 12 is 12 into 2. Similarly, we write 8th multiple of 12 is 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96. And the 13th multiple of 12 is 13th multiple of 12 into 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 1s 13 1 to 15. So problem is sum. So we add 96 and 156. We get 252 as its sum. So 252 is the sum of 8th comma 13th multiples of 12. The difference between 14th comma 20th multiple of 15 is. So when we are going to find the difference, first we find or write the biggest multiple of that number. So here from 14th comma 20th multiple of a same number of these, the 20th multiple is the biggest multiple. So we write 20th multiple of 15 is, we multiply 15 by 20. 20 that is equal to 300. This is the 20th multiple of 15. Second, 14th multiple of 15 is, we multiply 15 by 14, we get its 14th multiple. 14 5s 70, 14 1s 14, 14 7 2 1. So 210 is the 14th multiple of 15. So here the problem is difference. Difference means subtracting smallest from biggest. 210 is the smallest and 300 is the biggest. When we subtract 210 from 300, we get 90 as its difference. So difference is 90. Next, seventh, the smallest two-digit multiple of 8 is. Here multiples of 8 are, we write multiples of 8 by multiplying the 8 with 1, 2, 3 and so on. We get its multiples. 8 into 1 with the first multiple, 8 into 2 second, 8 into 3 third and so on. So 8 comma 16 comma 24 and so on. So here multiples of any number increases from left to right. So 8 is the first multiple which contains single digit. So here smallest two digit. Next is 16. 16 is the second multiple which contains two digit. So 16 is the smallest two digit multiple of 8 and the remaining are more than 16. So we take 16 as the smallest two digit multiple of 8. Next, ninth, the first two common multiples of the first two common multiples of 4 comma 6 are dash. So common multiples of 4 comma 6. first two common multiples. So first we have to write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are equal to, what is the first multiple of 4? By multiplying 1, we get first multiple of 4. 4 ones is 4. Second multiple is 8. 4 twos are 8. And 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. And so on. These are the multiples of 4. Next we write multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are equal to 6 ones 6, 6 twos 12, 6 threes 18, 6 fours 24, 6 fives 30, 6 six 36 and so on. These are the multiples of 6. Now by observing multiples of 4 and multiples of 6, we can easily find the common multiples of 4, 6. So here, what is the first common multiple of 4, 6? By observing these numbers, we can easily find 12 is the first common multiple of 4, 6. So, common multiple. First common multiple of 4, 6 is equal to 12. Next, what is the second common multiple of 4, 16? By observing that numbers, we can find 24 is the second common multiple of 4, 6. So we write second common multiple of 4, 6 is equal to 24. Now we write first common multiple, second common multiple. By observing these numbers, we can write any common multiple of 4, 6. So the first two common multiples. The first two common multiples of 4, 6 are equal to, the first common multiple of 4, 6 is 12 and the second common multiple of 4, 6 is 24. Next, if the problem is the 20th common multiple of 4, 6, we can easily find the 20th common multiple. So, first common multiple of 4, 6 is 12. Second common multiple of 4, 6 is 12 into 1. What is the third common multiple of 4, 6? We can easily find by multiplying 12 with 3. We get third common multiple of 4, 6. So if the problem is 15th common multiple of 4, 6 is, so we write first common multiple of 4, 6 is 12. To get the 15th common multiple of 4, 6, we multiply 15 with 12. That is equal to 15 twos 30, 15 ones 15, 180. This is the 15th common multiple of 4, 6. In this way, we can find any number of common multiples of two numbers. Next, 10th. The 17th common multiple of 5, 6 is dash. So here we are going to find the 17th common multiple. First we write multiples of 5 are. So to write multiples of 5, we multiply 5 by 1. 5 by 1 we get 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives 25. 5 6 30. 5 7 35. 5 8 40. And so on are the multiples of 5. Next, multiples of 6. of 6 are 6 is the first multiple. 6 1 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, and so on are the multiples of 6. So now we have to find the 17th common multiple of 5 comma 6. So when we are going to find the common multiple of two numbers, we observe the multiples of 5 and 6. We can easily find the common multiple of 5 and 6. By observing these numbers, we can easily find that 30 is the first common multiple of 5 comma 6. So common multiples of 5 comma 6 is equal to, or we write first common multiple of 5 comma 6 is 30. Next to get second common multiple of 5 comma 6 is by multiplying 30 with 2 we get second common multiple of 5 comma 6. To get the seventh common multiple of 5 comma 6, we multiply 30 by 7, we get seventh common multiple of 5 comma 6. Now 17th common multiple of 5 comma 6 is equal to 30 into 17. 17 3s 51, 510. This is the 17th common multiple of 5 comma 6. You can easily find any number of common multiple by finding first common multiple of two numbers. So this session is over. Next we go to some critical problems in the next session. Thank you.